How has the political climate shifted in the U.S. a week after the renewed focus on the Capitol attack? The aftermath is more complex than you think, with surprising shifts in public opinion and political strategy. In the week following the renewed spotlight on the Capitol attack, polls indicate that public opinion has shifted in unexpected ways. While some Americans grow more polarized, blaming opposing parties more harshly, a significant number express a renewed desire for national unity and stronger democratic safeguards. This dual reaction highlights how deeply the event still resonates, influencing not just opinions, but also voter priorities and trust in institutions. On the political front, the Republican Party experiences internal debates over how to address the attack, balancing between distancing themselves and appealing to their base. Meanwhile, Democrats are intensifying efforts to introduce new accountability and security legislation, aiming to prevent future incidents and reinforce the rule of law. These moves suggest a strategic recalibration, setting the stage for upcoming elections and legislative battles. Media outlets continue to focus heavily on the Capitol attack, shaping public discourse around themes of democracy, security, and national identity. This sustained attention keeps the issue alive in the public eye and pressures lawmakers to act. It also influences how Americans discuss political differences in everyday life, often intensifying debates, but sometimes inspiring civic engagement and activism. In just 1 week, the U.S. political climate shows surprising shifts, from public opinion to party strategies and media focus. These changes reveal how pivotal moments like the Capitol attack shape the nation's future. For more daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.